Hey, good morning everybody. Thanks for being with us. I'm Tim. Jenna's outside the Jeep trimming a few bushes up. We are jeeping exploring if you haven't been with us. And we appreciate you guys being here. But we are, again, down in the Eminence area. For those that don't know, next weekend is going to be our second annual breast cancer charity ride. And we came down a couple weeks ago and started doing a little trail cleanup for everybody, and we ended up, we didn't get to do this section because we was going to come back Sunday morning, but we got evacuated from camp because of flooding. So after that, it was like 2 a.m. we just drove home, so we didn't get to do this section here. So we came back down today. It's the weekend before to finish it up and check it out. And if we get this wrapped up, we may go check out, there's a fire tower, another one that we didn't get to in last week's video, that we may go check that out, and a few other things. We'll have to see what kind of time we have, but we're going to just get a little bit of footage here while we're doing this on these trails. And we'll also be back down here next weekend with a big group of people, so that'll be a good time. So just stay tuned and we will bring you guys along.
Y'all want to know what sucks about trail cleanup? Gnats. You can't even be out of the Jeep for a few minutes trying to cut a branch before they are in your mouth, up your nose, in your ears, in your eyeballs. They're everywhere. I swapped places with him because I was tired of eating them, and I barely got out of the vehicle, and he's being attacked now. So it's gonna be a long day. Yay. Anyway, we're doing this.
got the end.
Start over.
No. So we got the end of day one finished up. We went down along the river to make sure that it wasn't washed out, so we was good on that. We had to do a little cleanup, but she said she already told you about the bugs. They were bad. I got out. I swallowed a bug, got choked on it, about puked. So we stopped in town and got some drinks and all that. Now we're on the beginning of day two. This is probably going to be the worst part. There's a river bottom down here that the brush and everything really grows up, and worst part of that is we got clouds moving in, so probably going to get soaking wet. So, but hey, it's hot in the summertime, and maybe while it's raining the bugs will stay away, so who knows, but we'll see. That just gives you, it's not a very long video, but that gives you a little bit of just showing what we will be doing next weekend on our breast cancer run and everything. So if you guys will tune in next week, you'll see some video footage of that and everything, and who knows, maybe next year, if you didn't get a chance to this year, you can join us. But anyways, I got Jenna here driving about 100 miles an hour down this dirt road. We got to get back. We got a birthday party to go to, so we did get a little bit cleaned up. It's not perfect, but you know, it's a lot better than what it was. So we appreciate you guys again for tuning in. Well, I need to learn how to talk, don't I? Appreciate you guys for tuning in. We're going to get on back to the house, and as always, keep exploring. We'll see you guys next trip. Thanks.